I'm making papaya tapioca pudding. It's one of my childhood favorite desserts. It's super easy to make. I hope you like it. Let's look at the ingredients.
We need 1/4 of a papaya, half cup of small tapioca pearls, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 cup of milk, 4 cups of water. First, add water to a pot. Bring it to a boil over high heat. Turn the heat to low once the water starts boiling. Then add the tapioca pearls and stir occasionally to prevent the tapioca from sticking to the bottom of the pot. Simmer for 10 minutes over low heat. Turn the heat off. If you can see white dots in the tapioca pearls, and that means they aren't fully cooked. Put the lid on and let it steep for about 15 minutes to finish cooking. Now you can see that the tapioca pearls have turned transparent. Drain the tapioca pearls and rinse under cold running water until the tapioca pearls have cooled down. Now prepare the papaya. First, we need to deseed and peel off the skin of papaya, then dice. You can also use mango, peach, or melon. Transfer the tapioca pearls into a bowl. Add milk and sugar. Stir well. Then add papaya and mix. It's done! You can either enjoy it right away or refrigerate until chilled for an hour or so. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye!